Dear students, welcome to our channel Online Class with Emma. In this video, we are going to see Class 9 Science Assignment 2, Unit 2, Motion Physics, Part A. 1 mark questions. First one, if an object crosses equal distance in equal intervals of time, it is called as. The answer is B option, uniform motion. Second one, dash is used to measure the total distance covered by the vehicle. The answer is C option, odometer. Third one, when an object is thrown vertically upwards at the highest point, the body acceleration is equal to dash. The answer is C option, acceleration due to gravity. Fourth one, a cyclist turns around a curve at 15 km per hour. If it turns at double the speed, the tendency to overcome is. The answer is B option, quadruped. Then fifth one, dash force is caused to deposit butter at the edge of vessels while curd chumming. The answer is C option, centrifugal force. Then part B, distinguish distance and displacement. Answer is distance. First, distance topic. The actual length of the path travelled by a moving body irrespective of the direction is called the direction travelled by the body. It is measured in meter in SI unit. It is a scalar quantity having magnitude only. Then displacement. It is defined as the change in position of the moving body in a particular direction. It is also measured in meter in SI unit system. It is a vector quantity having both magnitude and direction. This is the answer for first one in part B. Then second one, an object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 28. What is the average speed of the object? The answer is total distance travelled by the object. So equal to 16 meter plus 16 meter equal to 32 meter. Then total time taken is 4 seconds plus 2 seconds equal to 6 seconds. Then average speed equal to total distance travelled by total time taken. Simplify it. 32 by 6 equal to 5.33 ms power minus 1. Therefore, the average speed of the object is 5.3333 meter second power minus 1. This is the average speed of the object. And then third one, differentiate speed and velocity. The answer is tablet into speed, velocity. Then in speed is the rate of change in distance. Then velocity is the rate of change displacement. Then your speed second point, it is a scalar quantity. In velocity second point, it is a vector quantity. In speed third point, speed equal to distance by time. In velocity equal to displacement by time. Your distance and displacement, your scalar vector. and this is rate of change in distance, and this is rate of change in displacement. Then part C, write in detail. First one, explain different types of motion. The answer is, in physics, motion can be classified as below: linear motion, motion along a straight line; circular motion, motion along a circular path; oscillatory motion, respective to and fro motion of an object at regular interval of time; random motion, motion of the object which does not fall in any of the above categories. And second one, derive the equations of method by graphical method. Answer is, an object in motion with initial velocity u attains a final velocity v in time t due to acceleration a reaches and a distance s. Three equations can be written for this motion. Then part B, distinguish distance and displacement. Answer is, first, distance, the actual length of the path traveled by a moving body is v equal to plus at, s equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at power 2, v power 2 equal to u power 2 plus 2as. Let us try to derive these equations by the graphical method. The figure below shows the change in velocity with time for an uniformly accelerated object. The object starts from the point D in the graph with velocity u. Its velocity keeps increasing, and after time t it reaches the point B on the graph. So this is the graph diagram. For this graph equations of motion, then initial velocity of the object equal to u equal to od equal to ea, the final velocity of the object equal to v equal to oc equal to eb, time equal to t equal to oe equal to da. From the graph we know that ab equal to dc, then we are going to simplify it. First equation of a motion, by definition, acceleration equal to change in velocity by time equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. This is a step to find out the answer. OC minus OD by OE equal to DC by OE, A equal to DC by E, DC equal to AB equal to AT. From the graph, EB equal to EA plus AB, V equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation. So write it as 1. This is the first equation of a motion. Then we are going to second equation. Then second equation of a motion. From the graph, the distance covered by the object during time t is given by the area of quadrangle DOEB. S equal to area of quadrangle DOEB equal to area of rectangle DOEA plus area of the triangle DAB equal to AE into OE plus 1 by 2 into AB into DA. S equal to UT plus 1 by 2 AT square. This is the second equation. This is the second equation of a motion. Then third equation of motion, we see that the distance covered by the object during time t is given by the area of the quadrangle DOEB. Here DOEB is a trapezium. Then S equal to area of trapezium DOEB equal to 1/2 into sum of the length of parallel side into distance between parallel sides. This is the equation. Then equal to 1/2 into OD plus DE into OE. S equal to 1/2 into U plus V into T. Since A equal to V minus U, IT or T equal to V minus U by A. This is slash not I. S equal to 1/2 into V plus U into V minus U by A. 2AS equal to V square minus U square. V square equal to U square plus 2AS. This is the third equation of motion. Then in the science subject, we are moving to chemistry, unit 11, atomic structure. Part A, 1 mark questions. First one, the energy of K shell near the nucleus is dash. A option higher, B option lower, C option equal, D option very high. The answer is B option lower. Then second one, what on nucleus? The answer is A option, proton plus neutron. Then third one, atomic number of an atom depends upon. The answer is D option, both A and B. Then fourth one, dash is an example for isotope. The answer is C option, carbon and boron. Fifth one, which quantum number specifies the symbol I? The answer is C option, Azimuttal quantum number. Then part B, short answer. First one, what is mean by valence? The answer is valency of an element is the combining capacity of element with other elements and is equal to the number of electrons that take part in a chemical reaction. Then second one, draw the geometric representation of aluminum atom. AL equal to 13 equal to 2A3. Then draw this, circle this 3. Then third one, state the law of combining volumes. Answer is, whenever gases react together, the volume of reacting gases and the products bear a simple whole number ratio, provided all the volumes are measured under similar conditions of temperature and pressure. Then part C, write in detail. First one, explain Bohr's atomic model. The answer is, the main postulates are, in atoms, the electron revolve around the nucleus in stationary circular paths called orbits or shells or energy levels. While revolving around the nucleus in an orbit, an electron neither loses nor gains energy. An electron in a shell can move to a higher or lower energy shell by absorbing or releasing a fixed amount of energy. The orbitals or shells are represented by the letters K, L, M, N and so on, or the numbers N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then second one, explain the quantum numbers. The answer is, the numbers which designate and distinguish various atomic orbitals and electrons present in an atom are called quantum numbers. 4 types of quantum numbers are as follows. Draw this tabular column. Quantum number symbol information. Principal quantum number n, main energy level. Azimuthal quantum number 1, I. This is L, I think so, L. Subshell, shape of orbital. Then magnetic quantum number m, orientation of orbitals. Quint quantum number s, spin of the electron. This is L. Then activity part, complete the following table. Some numbers in the question paper they have given. Fill the blanks. 9, 19, 10, minus 9, fluorine, F. 16, minus 32, 16, minus 16, sulfur, S. Minus 12, 24, minus 12, 12, magnesium, Mg. Minus 1, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, deuterium. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, hydrogen. This is the table given. Then we are moving for biology chapter, unit 11, organization of tissues. First Roman letter, 1 mark questions, part A. First one, common example for complex tissues. The answer is A option, xylem, phloem. Second one, dash tissues is also common in fruits and seeds. Hardness. The answer is A option, sclerates. Third one, during corona lockdown, a girl carries her father to the farthest hospital. In that time, which muscle functions more? The answer is A option, striated muscle, voluntary muscle. Then fourth one, physical education period, Suresh got wounded. Which tissue makes the wounds cure? The answer is B option, areolar tissue. Fifth one, due to diarrhea, dehydration occurs in the body. Physician finds out the illness with pulse. Which tissue shows the dehydration in our body? The answer is A option, epithelial tissue. Then part B, first short answer. First one, differentiates xylem, phloem. The answer is first right heading, xylem. Hence conducts water and minerals. Conduction is mostly unidirectional, that is from roots to apical tissue parts of the plant. Conducting channels are tracheids and vessels. Component of xylem include tracheid vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. Then phloem conducts organic solutes or food materials. Conduction may be bidirectional from leaves to storage organs and growing parts, or from storage organs to growing plants of plants. Conducting channels are sieve tubes. Components are sieve elements, companion cells, phloem, parenchyma and phloem fibers. Second one, write characteristic features of meristematic tissue. Answer is they are living cells. Cells are small, oval, polygonal or round in shape. They are thin-walled with dense cytoplasm, large nuclei and small vacuoles. They undergo mitotic cell division. They do not store food materials. This is the answer for second one. Then third one, draw a neuron and label the parts. This answer is given on page number 219. This diagram is the answer. Neuron diagram. It is given on page number 219. Part C, write in detail. First one, write short notes on connective tissues, blood and lymph. Put the heading blood. Blood contains corpuscles, which are red blood cells, erythrocytes, white blood cells, leukocytes and platelets. In this fluid connective tissue, blood cells are present in a fluid native called plasma. The plasma contains inorganic salts and organic substances. It is a main circulating fluid that helps in the transport of nutrient substances. Then B, lymph. Lymph is a colorless fluid filtered out of the blood capillaries. It consists of plasma and white blood cells. It mainly helps in the exchange of materials between blood and tissue fluids. This is answer for first one in detail. Then second one, lists out the difference between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells involved in growth and occurs continuously throughout life. Consists of single division. Two diploid daughter cells are formed. The chromosome number in the daughter cell is similar to the parent cell, 2n. Identical daughter cells are formed. Then meiosis occurs in reproductive cells involved in gamete formation only during the reproductively active age. Consists of two divisions. 4 haploid daughter cells are formed. The chromosome number in the daughter cell is just half n of the parent cell. Daughter cells are not similar to the parent cell and are randomly assorted. This is the answer for second detail. And then fourth Roman letter activity, draw the longitudinal section of phloem tissue and label the parts. This is on page number 213. This is the diagram for activity, longitudinal section of phloem tissue. That's all we have completed. Science assignment 2. For more such videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you.